In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a website for your Pilates studio. If you've just stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with multi-sites, welcome to our YouTube channel. We build multi-sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. You can literally launch a website and manage it from your smartphone. It's that easy. It's only $9 a month and there is a free trial available. The great thing about the free trial is you don't even have to put your credit card details in. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial for a week, give it a go and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our Pilates studio. Once you've joined the platform, put in your email address and your password. It's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from on the multi-site platform. However, if you've just come across this video and you don't even have a Pilates studio, you have another small business or side hustle, and you can't quite find the market listed over here, comment below and let us know and we will add it. We are adding markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Pilates studio, and there it is over there. So I'm going to go ahead and select that option. Now multi-sites is literally going to ask me a few basic details about my Pilates studio, and it's going to do all the hard work its magic, and creates a one-page website for me. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my company's name, Rochelle's Pilates Studio. I like the ring to that. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. I'm now going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service. I'm now going to click continue and let multi-site work its magic, do its thing, and do all the hard work. And there you have it. It's literally generated a one-page website for me, really professional looking and looks really great. I didn't have to know website design. I didn't need to hire a website designer with a huge budget. Really great. So now the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-selected images for you. As you can see, we've pre-written all the content to try and make your life as easy as possible, take all the hard work out of creating a website. However, if these images and this text that's pre-written for you just doesn't work, you can go ahead and amend it. It's really easy. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the top and work my way through, just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how multi-sites works, how easy it is to use, and how you don't need to know any coding. No coding required. Really great. So I'm going to go ahead and start from the top and go through each section. I'm going to click on update section at the top and go ahead and put in my email address. I'm going to click on show email and site. So my email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner of my multi-sites page. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number, and that is click to call, just as the email address is clickable. The phone number is click to call, so customers can click on it and call me directly. Let's go ahead and put in our street name and our postal code, as we've already put in our city and states on the previous page. Our physical address is now located in the top left-hand corner of our multi-sites page. Our customers can easily click on that and it will directly take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Really convenient. I'm now going to make sure I save that and head on to update social links. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our Instagram and our Twitter page. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how the service is working for you. There is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook. However, if we've missed any other social media platforms that you are active on, comment below and let us know. Your social media platforms will now be displayed in the top right-hand corner, the icons. Customers can easily click on them and be taken directly to your Instagram, your Twitter page, or your Facebook. They can give you a follow, get some engagement going, and just see what your business is up to. Let's go ahead and save that and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout this website just don't work for you. It's very neutral. Um, Goes with pretty much everything. However, if your Pilates studio has different branding, perhaps your business cards and the branding throughout your studio is a completely different color, that's completely okay. You can amend it to suit your needs. So we can go ahead and click on this paint bucket on the right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes to see what works for us. So I'm going to go ahead and just let's see how that one works. Not quartz. Let's see what other ones work. So I like that one. I'm going to go ahead and save that one. And that is now used throughout my multi-sites websites. As you can see over there, the different text on each section. Okay. So I'm now going to go ahead and update this section. I'm going to click on update logo. Now, if you've recently launched your Pilates studio, congratulations for starting your business. However, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will display your name in the top left hand corner over here. Still looks really professional. However, if you do have a logo, you can browse from your device and upload it. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the Marty Sites logo and see how that works. Great. I'm now going to click on save. Okay, that one's still uploading. Let's give it a second to upload. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, that's just uploaded and there we go. I've now saved that and it's now displayed in the top left hand corner. Really great. You can make it bigger and smaller to customize it to suit your business and just to see how it looks. If you don't have a logo and you really want one and you don't have a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out the canva.com website. There are a few free options there and you can customize them to suit your needs. Let's go ahead and save that and move on to the next section. Now, again, pre-written content, images pre-selected for you. We wanted to make this process of launching a website as easy as possible. We wanted to take all the hard work out of launching a website. However, if that image just doesn't work for you, you can go ahead and click on update section and head over to update image. Now, if you do have photos that have been taken of your studio, feel free to browse from your device and upload them here. However, you can search through the photo library and there are hundreds of images to choose from that are all royalty free to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. I like that one and click on select photo. I'm now going to go ahead and save it and look at that. It looks really awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and update the content. So perhaps that content that was pre-written just doesn't work for you. You can change it over here and your button as well. So as a Pilates studio, perhaps you want people to take bookings. You want to have a booking app as your button. So when people, your customers click on the button, it directly takes them to a calendar app. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to book a session. Whoops. I'm now going to go ahead and choose link, and over here I can link to another website. So I'm going to go ahead and put in Calendly over here. Okay, so here, if you don't have a calendar app, you can go ahead and sign up on Calendly for a free option. There are a few free different websites so customers can easily book their Pilates session online. You can also link to another part of your website. You can link to the form that's at the bottom so they can easily get in touch with you, which I'm going to be going over in a minute. Another great option, click to call, click to email, or directions to your physical location for that button to link to. But my favorite one is to upload a PDF file. Over here, when your customers click on the link, they can be taken directly to the PDF file that you've uploaded over here. So that's a great option to upload perhaps the different rates of each session in a PDF file. So when they click on it, it will take them directly to those rates. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Click on save. And let's go ahead and close that section. Over here, again, pre-written content for you to make your life easy. However, if you do want to change it, you can click on update section and change it. Over here, we've got an great about us section. Perhaps you can put in a little bit more information of what your Pilates studio offers, all the different equipment you do have, perhaps how you got started in the industry, what made you start your Pilates studio. Put all the information here in the About Us section and amend the picture to suit your needs. Otherwise, keep that image as it looks great, very high quality and free to use. Over here, we have another option to update the section. Over here, we can upload an image from our device or search through the photo library to suit our needs. Moving on to the next section, over here we've got the services section. So perhaps you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer, the duration of each classes you have and the different packages you offer. Put all the details over here and amend the picture or keep that one as is. I've now made it to the last section of my Marty Site's website. Over here is the Get in Touch contact form where our customers can reach out to us. A frequent question we're getting asked as multi-sites is, when my customers fill in this form, where does that message go? How do I know someone's filled it in? How do I even get to that message? And that's a really great question. You will get emailed directly every time a potential lead comes through this form. However, you can also find it in the customer dashboard, which I'm now going to take you over to in a second. Let's just take a moment to have a look one more time at this one-page website I've created in a couple minutes. Super easy, no coding required, didn't need to hire a website developer, didn't need to have any website developing skills. Really easy to work with, only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, so click on the link below this video. Sign up and just see how it works for you and your business. You have nothing to lose. So I'm going to go ahead and click on stop editing. I'm now going to head over to the site dashboard, and over here is where you can find the leads via that form at the bottom of your page. Another frequent question we're getting asked is, can I link my custom domain? At Mighty Sites, we do understand with a professional looking website comes a custom domain. So absolutely you can connect your domain by clicking on this button over here in the site dashboard. If you are struggling, we do have a blog post over at www.martysites.com. There's other great marketing tips for your small business. And there is a YouTube tutorial as well on linking your domain. However, if you are still struggling, drop us a message, an email, or a social media message and let us know. Add Marty Sites as a user and we will do all the hard work for you. We will link your domain for you. So there you have it. I've literally launched a Pilates studio website in a couple minutes. Very professional looking, and it's only going to cost me $9 a month. Remember, free trial available, 7 days. Click on the link below this video. Don't forget the thumbs up. Really wishing you and your Pilates studio mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like us to add, leave us a comment and let us know.